Hello everyone, you're welcome to TM Handcrafts where we impact lives. Today we are going to be showing you how to gather this children's ball gown to get these effects of gathering. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. So I was trying to make a ball gown for a baby of about 4 months old, and I decided to show you a quick one of how to have this gathers effect while making your ball gown, because to ensure your ball gown stands and have this full effect, it should be gathered. So what I did first of all is to loosen my set my sewing machine to have a loose stitch so that the stitches will be very loose. So I ran through the net with a very loose stitch. You can also set your sewing machine to have that setting as well. But if you're using a, a manual machine, you just have to drag it really quick to make it very loose. So after that, drawing. You should start drawing the thread from the edge. Ensure you do that very carefully. Yeah, you see it now. You're going to be drawing the thread. Ensure you leave a good amount of thread at the edge, both the beginning and the end. Leave a good amount of thread so that you'll be able to draw the thread from there. So you start pushing in. As you push, you draw your thread. With this, it will give you a very uniform gathers. Yes, it will give you a very uniform gathers while you sew your ball gown. This will make your gown to have a full effect. So this is what I do while sewing a ball gown. Yeah. So this is it. You do this carefully because if the thread cuts, you have to stitch again. So this is how I do it to get this gathers effect. You carefully push the net in, and while you're drawing your thread, be careful not to make the thread cut. So this is it. This the effect it has on the ball gown. This will make the gathers to be in a uniform and of the same size. Yeah, it's very easy. You can try it yourself while making your children ball gown. Yeah, I had this three-step gown. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is TM Handcraft, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.